So down in my basement, I've been designing and developing or prototyping a number of ideas for potential solutions that I'm still working to test. And in front of you here, you could see in this video, I wanted to talk quickly about where I'm at with this particular project here. So I know almost everywhere you turn, if you go on YouTube or Facebook or elsewhere, you're really hearing about more AI and or artificial intelligence and tech type innovations. What I'm really proposing, at least for this use case and application, is this idea of more of a non-tech use case or application. And what I had created was a bit of a connector here. So the connector, it combines, so you could see how I'm holding it right now, is a full, entire, or complete connector, but then you can separate it here. And in front of you, so I have been working on two. I'm going to, on this channel, I'll be working on additional ones, but here you can see the idea of a drone. So, the idea here is for this to be a possible option for wargaming, and specifically military or government type wargaming. Now, granted, I think it could be used. It is something that could be used like in a lot of different venues and locations, but just to really quickly talk about what I did here. So I separated out the connector. You could see here you have a male peg connector half portion, and then you have a female receiving connector half portion. So for this particular design, and I did intentionally leave one off of here to just, and I also used different items here to show how there could be connectivity on the underside, linking all of this together. So right here, I used a more thin, like playing card, like this, where the mortar round is, and then in the middle, I had used a tile, like I had used for the propellers. On this side, I had used a pipe cleaner. Of course, you could use different colors or whatnot. You're really looking at this, the extent of possibilities is really limited only by your creativity and imagination. You could really assemble these in different ways. You can connect different ways. One thing in the middle, I used a female to run a string, where I'm envisioning this maybe even teaching about logistics and sustainment, perhaps to military troops across the service branches here. So that is what I'm